Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Floki. Had to cover it, very bullish. Yesterday already I was looking at it basically the entire day because you saw first of all that with the bullish momentum from Bitcoin, meme coins did very well. And then for Floki, if you zoom out a bit, like a major level to break was this level right here. And we broke above that quite easily, or at least we got there quite quickly in the morning, and then we broke above that when the US session opened for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin started to slowly grind up towards 63,700 and then spike up higher. So alright, so Floki broke out, and just in general, I mean, someone in the comments or something was saying that I had basically that I was being negative about Floki because I was covering Pepe and Bonk. And I do want to refute that in that Floki is always on my watch list. All right, I keep my eyes on Floki always with the other DWF coins, but in general, I know like Floki, it can rally a lot in a very short period of time. So I'm 100% not bearish on Floki, even though I covered Bonk and Pepe much more often. And I think it's quite easy to realize why I cover them more often, and that's basically because, well, Pepe and Bonk just were more often, or were more bullish more often. Right? Floki has basically done nothing in the last couple of weeks at least in terms of bullish movements. And then yesterday we started gaining momentum, so now I think it's interesting again because I do actually think that we can rally much higher than this. So if you look at Floki, first of all, if you look at it right now, I mean the open interest is up a ton. We got some short orders coming in actually earlier in the morning as well, but I don't think those will last. And a lot of short orders were also closed with this last move. That's this bullish candle right here. But the thing is that I do think like Floki right now, if you look at this, if you zoom out, we got a significant breakout here above 16,000. So purely technically, we are now in this area between 19,500 and 16,000. That's bullish, all right, because that's basically, well, that's a bullish breakout and then shifting into a higher consolidation. So I do think purely technically, it's most likely will continue to be bullish, especially with this momentum. But I also do think it's dependent on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin just got a little, like I expect Bitcoin to remain bullish, all right? So eventually what I expect for Floki, just to start off with that, is that we'll break above 19,500 and that will rally up towards 23,500 at the very least, all right? And then potentially we can rally up higher, but we'll have to see. So this is what I expect. It's just that when this will happen for me is still kind of difficult to interpret, or kind of difficult to estimate or predict. And the reason for that is that it is dependent on Bitcoin. All right, Floki is bullish. All right, Floki got a lot of bullish breakouts and we have momentum. That's all true. But to really get that final push, like right now, we found a significant resistance level. We're getting some bottom signals from there or top signals from there. We're losing some momentum here. So I expect this. But for now, I have to say, after Bitcoin also got a minor bearish breakout here, I have to say that I think it's most likely we'll have a pullback first into this level right here between 17,000 and 16,000. And then from there, we'll find support. We'll probably consolidate for a bit, and then eventually we'll do something like this. But I will keep you updated on that, right? If you're interested in that, let me know, and I'll keep you updated. Personally, I will also, to let you in on something, I will also look to buy in this area down here. I'll still have to kind of see how to do that because I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to wait for very low levels, but probably just DCA between like 17,000 and 15,500. And you should be fine if you just put your stop loss below the bottoms right here. Could be a good trade. But I'll try to keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.